Full screen bandage X hoof for everyone. Today, brother new TI have no martial access is anuria. Ladies and gentlemen, little brother with brown caramel cow hoof. Brother likes this mouth. Such tender cow hoof. Prepare the ancestral grinder to polish it. The next step is to repair the cow's hoof with great effort. The hooves for sprinkling is to polish a refreshing white. Brother wants to polish this large interlayer first. Have a look at the quality in order to preserve the best taste for the first floor. Longitudinal silk sleeve. The best on the left highlights the lesion. Big teeth will stay perfect. The first floor is lapping with a mobile. The bad points in diplomacy are prominent. What kind of hooves are they? The little brother fixed the problem so easily. Are you afraid of new Maoyin's being such a personality? At some point, new Maoyin's convenient choose. Small decompression type. Spray the ancestral disinfectant. You know how insidious this leather is. Completely unabsorbed. Little brother doesn't care. Look, the situation has continued to rain. The next lucky new to play on the grinding machine. I saw horny flying round. The white foot wand on the right side. Change your position. Watch it again. The focus of this one is about to rush out of the cell phone fast. It's too small to decompress. The little friend on the screen pursed his lips. Just know how much effort little brother has made. This stubborn lesion was cleaned up today. My brother doesn't talk about any method. The little friend's of revising questions to fix the problem is acceptable. Such a violent wish. I am Chowdy. See you next time.